Hi guys, Kobe here and welcome to Gizmo Hub. So last week I made a review of the Haylou GT1 Pro and I was really surprised that such a budget earbud could be this good. Today I got my hands on another earbud from the same brand, which is the Haylou GT1 Plus, and this is an upgrade over the GT1 Pro and the GT1. We'll be taking a look at the GT1 Plus to see if this update of the GT1 ecosystem is worth an upgrade. Welcome to an unboxing and review of the Haylou GT1 Plus. So here we have the Haylou GT1 Plus box, which is similar to the previous designs of the other GT1 boxes, with the exception of the Qualcomm logo on the bottom left and the product name on the bottom right. At the back of the box too, the details have changed. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So the items included in the box are the charging case with the left and right earbuds in it. It also has extra ear tips and the micro USB cable. So in terms of the design, the Haylou GT1 Plus has the same original design as the GT1 and the GT1 Pro, just that the GT1 Pro is a bit bulkier because of battery life. The GT1 Plus still kept the minimalist look that the GT1 is known for, and the case is still made out of plastic, has the same scrap treatment and the same delicate feel. So at the top of the lid, you see a Haylou branding here, and at the back of the case, you have a micro USB port as well as a charging indicator. With the charging indicator, it shows as red when the USB cord is connected and is charging. The light goes off when the battery is full. Unfortunately, the Haylou GT1 Plus still uses micro USB and not Type-C. And since more devices use the Type-C now, it will be more convenient to have one cable or charger to charge all devices when you're on the go. In terms of battery life, the Haylou GT1 Plus has a 310 mAh battery in the case, which lasts for 18 hours. And the earbuds themselves gives you 5 hours of battery life. It takes an hour and a half to 2 hours to charge the case fully. Connecting your earbuds to your smartphone is quite simple. All you have to do is go to your settings. Under settings, you enable your Bluetooth. And from there, you can choose any of your earbuds to pair with. So I go with the right one first. On your screen, you should see the right earbud as Haylou GT1 Plus R. After tapping on the Haylou GT1 Plus R, you will get a confirmation and you tap on OK, and the earbuds is connected after that. Automatically, you'll be asked to pair the left side, which will also show as Haylou GT1 Plus L. Once you tap on OK, you are done with it. The most prominent and biggest difference is that the Haylou GT1 Plus includes a Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset, which has the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and runs the latest aptX codec. On this chipset, sound quality has been improved, and also connection stability and anti-interference has been significantly improved. We should be expecting a low latency on this Qualcomm chipset as well. Similar to the original GT1 and the GT1 Pro, the GT1 Plus also features the same waterproof rating, which is aptX. This is great for gym use and also should withstand rain and water drops. Another feature that this chipset provides is the dual channel connectivity. So this means that the left and the right earbuds can be used separately without causing any issue. With the previous versions, it was very hard to pair back to stereo mode when you switch to mono mode. So I'll make a video on how to fix this issue later. So let's get to the sound quality, and this is the most important part of the earbud. The GT1 Plus is actually a very impressive sounding earbuds. If you get the right ear tips that fits comfortably in your ears, the earbuds will provide you with deep bass and great clarity. When it comes to sound quality, this is where the chipset plays a major role. You experience zero latency audio and excellent connectivity. And also with Qualcomm CVC 8.0, calls are very clear and it performs very well in a noisy situation. Haylou GT1 Plus allows you to control your media and calls except for volume controls. It uses the same touch features like the previous GT1 Pro earbuds, such as one tap on either side to play or pause media or answer call, 2 taps to skip forward or backwards, and triple tap to pull out your Google Assistant or Siri. So overall, if you are in the market to look for a high-performing earbud at such a budget price, I definitely recommend the Haylou GT1 Plus. This is because the Qualcomm chipset is a step ahead of the Realtek chipset, which was included in the previous Haylou models. Also, this chipset makes it easier to use the earbuds in mono or stereo mode without any difficulties. I also have the Haylou T15 and the Transmart Spanky Beats. If you are interested in watching, I might review this later. So kindly stay tuned to my channel and make sure you are subscribed. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you can watch more videos in the future. That's it for today guys. See you in another video.